Hey, Ty here. Let's talk about these two words and how to use them. I know they can be kinda confusing for some people, especially since in some languages people use one word to describe lose and miss. And also because both words refer to not achieving or not having something anymore. But let's break things down here so you can understand better. Here are some ways to use miss. We can use miss to describe the sad feelings we get when someone isn't with us anymore. For example, oh my god, I really miss my friends. We can also use miss when we fail to hit a target. So we can miss a catch, a shot, like when you're playing soccer, basketball, anything that you're aiming and you end up failing to hit. Another way to use miss is when you fail to make contact or see something or someone. For example, let's say you come to my office thinking that Joe will be here and you get here and ask me,
Like, oh, I thought Joe was here. Have you seen him? I need to talk to him. Oh man, you just missed him. He went to grab a bite.
or let's say you're trying to find a place and you're kind of lost. So like you ask someone,
Excuse me, do you know if there's a bank around here? Yeah. Just go 3 blocks that way. It will be right in front of you. You can't miss it.
Another really common way to use miss is when we fail to catch a plane, a train, a bus. For example,
Oh my god, Jimmy, you're 3 hours late. I know. I had to walk here. I missed my plane. Really? You walked 3 hours to get here. Yes?
okay, so let's go to lose or lost now. First way we can use this word is when we're talking about a win or lose situation. For example, a game.
Like, I can't believe we lost the game last night. They suck. Well, apparently we suck more, but unfortunately this isn't a blowjob competition.
Lose or lost can also be used when you physically lose something and you can't find it. My wife, for example, she loses her phone like 20 times a day. Actually, it might be the sentence she says the most in a day.
Have you seen my phone? I lost it.
Now, something to pay attention here is because if you lose something, you can say that this something, whatever it is that you lost, is missing. So when you're active, like you lose something, that's the verb. Or that thing you lost is missing. It can also be someone. For example, when someone is kidnapped or something happens to them and no one can find that person, we say that that person is missing. Hopefully you haven't seen this, but usually we have posters like missing person and a picture of the person, their name, age, place they were last seen, etc. Well, this is how to use these two words. I hope you got it. And I know this video was long, but I wanted to bring as much information as possible. Anyway, I hope I was able to help you, and don't forget to reach out in case you need any help. See ya.